All right, so let's say that you are now finished with all of your slides. What you need to do is save each slide as an image so that you can use it in your Spark video. So what you're going to do is you are going to click on your slide on the left-hand side of the screen so that it's outlined in blue. Then you're going to go up to File, and you're going to choose Download As and JPEG Image. And what it's going to do is it's going to save the current slide to your computer as an image. So when I click on that, it added that one slide to my computer. Now I need to choose each individual slide. So I'm going to click on slide number 2, so it's highlighted in blue. I'm going to go to File, Download As, JPEG Image. I'm going to do that for each and every one of my slides. Once I've done that, then you are ready to go to Spark Video. Here, when you're at spark.adobe.com, you need to log in. So you're going to choose Login. And when you choose Login up at the top right of the screen, you are then going to click on Google. And it's going to sign in with your SEQ Google account. Next, you're going to click on the plus sign on the right-hand side, and you are going to choose Video. Okay, when you first get into the video, it's going to give you like a little preview or tutorial. Just click Skip down at the bottom of the screen and scroll all the way to the right so that you can make up your own story. You're not using one of their templates. Now, what I would like for you to do is I want you to change the layout. So you're going to go up to the top right, you're going to choose Layout, and because we're using your slideshow images, they're going to take up the whole screen. So we're going to choose Full Screen. And then you're going to click where it says the photo and the plus, and you're going to upload a photo. And you're going to find in your download folder each of your slides. So here is my first slide. And I can see it now here. I can keep adding more slides, click on the photo, upload a photo, and then I can choose my slide number 2 and add all of those images that I just saved from my slideshow. Now, just like you used on your phone, you can add in your voice. So here is where you are going to narrate and explain what is going on in each of your slides. You are not just going to read the slides. Everyone could read the slides on their own. You are going to explain your topic and maybe add some extra details and facts because you really want people to be interested in your topic, to find passion in your topic, so that they want to work towards solutions. So to record, you click on the little record symbol. Make sure you're using earbuds with a microphone. And you're gonna press and hold, and you're gonna record your audio. Then you let go. And if you screw up, again, you can just press and hold just like you could on your phone. When you want to watch your entire video, you can preview it up here at the top, and you're going to record your audio. Okay, so you can listen to it all, see how it is. You can change the music or the themes. You may need to lower the volume of the music so that we can hear your voice. If your voice isn't loud enough, and your music is too loud, so we can't hear what you're saying, I won't be able to grade your project. So make sure that your voice is loud enough, and you may need to reduce your music. I don't want you to add any of your own music. I want you to choose one of the music from the list. You can also change the theme if you'd like. That is up to you. When you are completely done with your project, you're going to click Share. Here, you're going to give it a title. Change the author. Don't have your full last name. Just have your first name and your last initial. Your category will be education. and you can uncheck the Get Noticed. And when you're done, you're going to create an unlisted link. You're going to click down here at the bottom. And then that link you are going to use to fill out the Google form that you'll find in Classroom to submit your EPA report. You're going to fill out this form and paste the link to your video.